Today I'm going to be making this beginner modern dream catcher. Hi, I'm Sheena Joy, and if macrame is your jam, then subscribe and hit the bell notifications. To start, we will be attaching all 12 80-inch pieces of cord using a reverse lark's head knot. To do the reverse, your loop should be coming up from the bottom, not from the top. Okay, so let's get all 12 on here. Ta-da! I'm so cheesy. Okay, so ignoring my poor editing skills, let's move on. At this point, it's easier to divide your work in half and keep it up out of the way. We will be working from the top center and then working our way outwards. So from the center, we're going to cross our string over and then attach it to our hoop using a double half hitch. In this case, the hoop acts as our filler cord and we tie our double half hitches around it. Okay, so working from the top again, we're going to take the top center one on the left hand side this time and we're going to cross it over. Also, please note when you're tying your double half hitches, your cord has to be behind the hoop. Make sure you're pulling your cords taut, but don't worry if they're a little bit loose, we will adjust it at the end. Okay, again, we're going to be working from the right side again, and we're going to take that cord and we're going to cross it over to our left. So just to recap, we're taking the middle cords from the top and we're crossing it over and working our way from the outside in at the bottom. I sure hope that makes sense. It's really simple. Essentially, we're just weaving. If you need a slowed down version of a double half hitch, no worries, I will link it in the card above. Just note that in this case, the lead cord is the hoop in this tutorial. Okay, I'm just gonna motor along and work my way towards the center of the bottom of the hoop. And don't forget, we are crisscrossing each strand. Okay, once they're all attached, I like to go through them all and tug on each end and make sure they're taut. Here's my little cheat on how to cut the ends evenly. With the project hanging on the wall, I use painter's tape and I tape off where I want it to be cut. And of course, I take measurements to make sure that each side matches. Then taking my scissors, I cut along the edge of the masking tape. Making a loop with one of the spare pieces I had just trimmed off, I am going to create the hanger. So I'm just tying it on using another reverse lark's head knot. And once it's on there to my liking, I give the end a little snip. And she should be good to go. If you like this video, please do me the kindness and give it a thumbs up. I really enjoy the modern look of this dream catcher. It's a bit different from the rest of them. If you have any video requests, please drop them in the comments. And here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.